This tractor here, I bought it in '79, and then I put a driver on it shortly after that. It's been modified quite a little bit as far as pumps. It's got 3 different pumps on it. One to run the post grabber on the back, and one to drive to run the post driver, and then one for the power steering. So it's got 3 different. It's got power steering for the, and then it's got big toolbox on it to stand on and haul stuff. A good friend of mine, I had no trouble with the motor. It's the original motor since, I've never touched the motor since '79. It's getting a little weak, but the transmission had a guy by the name of Bill Hayes help me fix it. He's deceased now, but he was right up his alley to come and do it, and he did. So, but it's been a really good tractor and very little trouble. I'm actually a John Deere guy. I thought, well, this is reasonable to buy, and I can put stuff on the front and make it work. You know, I don't have lift arms, so it's more or less just kind of a tractor that works good for this. I'll probably end up keeping the tractor, and it'll probably stay at my dad's place because he's got a lot of fencing to do up there. We try to do 80 rod a year up there, and there's always fixing. So he has quite a few acres, so there's always fixing to do on fences. So I don't have a lot of money wrapped up in it, and it's just park it. Just park it.